Alright guys, so this should be a pretty short video. So this came in the mail today. I have a pretty good idea what this is. So let's check it out. Luckily it's small enough I can just... That's what I thought it was. Alright, so let's check it out. Topping. I did sell my Topping D10, so I don't have anything to compare this to really that's of reference in mind. This might become a new reference. So it's the new Topping. Topping E30. Alrighty here. Basic packaging. Menu there. Topping E30. Warranty card. Comes with a little remote, which is pretty awesome. Because this is a DAC, but also a preamplifier. So if you want to use it in conjunction with just a power amp, so you can plug them directly into a power amp and then use it as a volume. Here is a USB-A to just a power in there. Looks like it's DC. Let's see here. Or you could plug it directly into a outlet with a little phone charger. So yeah, that looks almost long enough. Let's undo this. This is only like 3 feet long. Let's see here. Put that in there. Yeah, it's only about 3 feet long. So it's pretty basic long. Basic length. Long. Basic length. That's what we got in there. And we have another type of cable. So we have one for power and then one for data. This goes to USB-A, yeah, that big one. I probably won't use this one because I already have a bunch of these. Leave this one out. Yeah, let's close this one back up. Let's not gonna do that one. Is that all? Yep, that's it. So you get a data cord to the fat USB-A, I believe, and a USB to its power end. Let's see here. Manuals. Remote control. Something I'll definitely be using and testing out it as a preamplifier. I'll keep this guy out here. And here is the little guy here. So we got the black version. It's very shiny on the front. It does have that, it's really shiny. There's a little power button, and then you can also change it to preamplifier as well as the different filters as well. So on the back, oh yeah, they're using little plastic ends instead of silicone, which IFI uses. So we'll keep these guys in there. Probably won't use this coax, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do with this guy. Like I could run a DVD player directly into that and run that into the power amplifier. Yeah, should work. So yeah, so we have the channel, right, left, coax in, optical in, USB in, and then the DC power. Nice little box. So it'll probably become my next reference, which is good. So I'll get this guy out now. Start running this guy. And that is the unboxing of the T. Fairly simple. And it will get to testing right now. Alright guys, again, please like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your night, guys. Day or morning. Whenever you're watching this. Have a good rest of your time. Later.